Very good, Farheen, Saimira. All are good. Yeah, let's start, right? Close your eyes, join your hands. Say, Kidsy Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes. Good morning, one and all. Yes, children. Get ready for aerobic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Get ready for exercise. All stand up. Give a jump. Give a jump. Yes, Shivanya. Good, 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 good. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice, children. Okay. Let's do the exercise. Yes, run, run, run. Yes. Stop. Sit down. All sit down. Relax. Yes, right, children. Relax yourself. Okay. Are you tired? Are you tired, children? Drink some water. All get water and drink. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, okay. Shall we go our session? Go to our session? Yes? Fine, children. Yesterday we haven't seen about the transports, right? Today ma'am is going to make you thorough of air transport. Okay. Already we learned that about air transport. Children, name some air transport. Shivanya, say some air transport. You haven't joined last week fully, no?
Parachute.
Yes, parachute.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Then?
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Yes.
Yes, there are so many things, right? Air balloon. Yeah. Rocket. Spaceship. Space shuttle. Okay, so many things are there. Okay. Let's learn about this air transport in a detailed way. Okay, right, children? Yeah. Oh, once again, I'll rush through all the transports. Okay. This is water transport. Name of this water transport is speedboat, pedal boat, ship, boat, kayak, canoe, and steamer, houseboat, yacht. Okay, these are known as water transport. Those vehicles will sail in the water. Okay, children, right. Next is the animal transport. Elephant chariot, bullock cart, horse cart, camel cart. These are known as land transport as well as the animal transport. These are land transport. Okay. Jeep, scooter, bus, car, train, a car, bicycle, double-decker bus, tram. These are known as land transport. Okay. Those vehicles will run on the road and track. Okay. Right. These are known as air transport. Air transport means what, children? The vehicle which fly on the air, not in the water, not in the road. Air will fly on the space, sky. Okay. Such vehicles are known as air transport. Mode of transport is air. Okay, right? The name of these vehicles, some of the vehicles are aeroplane, helicopter, glider, rocket, and air balloon, parachute. Okay, right. Now I'm going to show you one by one. What is this, children? This is a aeroplane, or aeroplane. Okay, which fly in the air. It is big in size, not like train, but it's bigger than bus, car, and all. Okay, right. It will carry many people. People will travel a long distance place in a short time. They use aeroplane. Okay, what is this, children? Aeroplane. It has two wings, yes, a tail, and it will be very colorful. Yes, there will be so many lights, colorful lights will be there in the aeroplane. Right? Okay. What is this? Aeroplane. The next thing is helicopter. This is also a air transport. It will also fly like aeroplane. It has a fan on its head. It's known as propeller. Okay. Once the helicopter starts, engine starts, it will run. Okay. This propeller will run and help to fly in the air. Okay. It will not carry like people like aeroplane as much as people like. Okay, it will carry very few people, and it's not a help to travel in a long distance place. A short place means people can use helicopter. Okay, what is that? Helicopter. Helicopter. Okay, fine. The third thing is, wow, hot air balloon. What is this? Hot air balloon. It is like a big balloon. See, a balloon is there on its head, right? Attached with a basket. This balloon is filled with a hot air. Hot air. Okay, right? It flies in the air when the balloon is filled with hot air. People travel in this as a sport and for fun. Okay, people use only for sport, for play as a game. play with this as a game and fun. Okay, this is hot air balloon. Okay, right, children? It will fly in the air, not much high. Okay, like aeroplane or helicopter. Okay, right? Fine. This is hot air balloon. The next thing is very interesting one. Parachute. What is it, children? Parachute. Parachute is an equipment used by people who jumped from the great heights. When they are flying in the aeroplane or helicopter, if it falls on any danger or fire or something, people use this parachute to jump from the aeroplane, and then they can land very safely, very slowly and safely. Yes, some people used this parachute for fun games. Okay, some are used this as a fun game. People dived from plane and then land the ground safely with the help of parachute. The main use of parachute is to prevent rescue from the danger in when you fly in the aeroplane. Okay, this is known as parachute. Parachute help to people land slowly and safely. Okay, right? Some are used this for fun. Okay, right, children? This is parachute. So, can you name the all the air transport, children? Yes. Litiksha, what is this, Litiksha?
Elephant.
Very cute, Litiksha. Farheen, what is this?
Helicopter.
Very
One,
good,
three.
Far. Ah, yeah.
Zero.
Helicopter. Okay. Janvi, what is this?
Water.
Very cute, Rag. Hot air balloon. Very nice. And Madhu, what is this, Madhu?
Parachute.
Parachute.
Parachute. Okay, parachute. Right? Yeah. And Jason, what is this, Jason?
Hello, balloon.
Ah, air balloon. Yeah.
Hello, balloon.
Saimira, what is this?
What is this?
Parachute.
Parachute. Very good, very good. And what is this, Shivanya? Shivanya, what is it?
Louder.
Say loud. Ah, hot air balloon. Okay. Yes. Keshav, what is this?
Mama, what is this?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Very good. Adan, you know what is it, Adan? Adan? Aeroplane. Say Adan. Aeroplane. Okay. So this is aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, parachute. Okay. Now this is the time for doing our workbook. Okay, right, children? Yes. Open this page. Page number 131. Sorry, 132. Page number 132. Yes, okay. Stick paper tears on the parachute. If you have colored papers, children, tear it and stick it on the parachute. Okay. Can you try, children? Yeah. Or take any one color. If there is no color means you just tear the colorful newspaper or something. Tear it and stick it on the aircraft. This aircraft, what is it? Parachute. Okay. Stick like this. I don't have paper. I can't stick here. Okay. Stick the paper like this. Collage work, right? This is known as a collage work. If you have paper, you do it. Otherwise, you do it later on. Okay, stick the paper like this. Okay, children. Stick randomly. Okay. Yes, are you sticking?
Slowly do. Ma'am, we don't have color papers, ma'am. So
No,
she just want to
newspaper.
color it. She
Coloring
want to
should.
color it. Color
Oh,
it, then we will get a paper and we will stick it on it.
oh, okay, okay, okay. Let her do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, if you don't have color paper means you just color it. Later on, you can stick it. Is any of you sticking paper? Color paper?
Cotton paper.
Ma'am, paper not available, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then don't, no problem. You just color the children. Better to color this. Afterwards, you can stick color paper. Okay, you just color the parachute. Children, did you complete the ship work? Ship. Decorate the ship with different materials. No one has sent the photo of the ship.
I will do the ship tomorrow.
Okay, dear. Very good, very good. Okay, just now, just give color. Afterwards, you can stick the paper. Finish, children. Madhunti, cut the paper carefully, okay? Finish, Samira. Good job, good job. Okay. Afterwards, you stick paper. Good. Jason, you're not doing, Jason. You're not coloring.
Fish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good, very good. Very good, Farheen.
Finish, ma'am.
Keshav finished? Good, Keshav. Oh, Farheen, you struck the papers. Very good, very good. Nice. Nice it is. Okay. Good job. Okay, I'll teach you a parachute song. Okay, it's in your rhymes book. Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for landing safe on ground. It's for landing safe on ground. Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for landing safe on ground. Okay, what is that? Parachute. Okay, it's used for landing safe on ground. Okay, right? All sing along with me, children. Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for landing safe on ground. It's for landing safe on ground. Simona, sing. Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for landing safe on ground. Okay. Shivanya, can you? Shivanya, can you sing that song? Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for safely landing. Sorry, it's for landing safe on ground. Yes, okay? Fine. Let me stop your work. How many of you still coloring or sticking? Finish, Litiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Litiksha. Show me.
Ma'am.
Yes, show me the book. Ah, nice, nice. Okay, you stick color paper later, okay? Right. Madhu, good Madhu. Very good, Madhu. Did you stick paper or color, Madhu? Is that paper? Ah, very good. Ah, okay, okay, fine. Very good, Madhu.
White paper la paint பண்ணி ma'am.
Oh, right, right. Okay. Very nice, Madhu. Ah, Keshav, you too struck paper. Very good, very good. Is that coloring or paper, Keshav, mummy?
Paper, ma'am.
Paper, yes, yes. Very nice. Very nice.
நல்ல பேப்பர் இருந்தா வெட்டி வெட்டி.
Right. Very good, children. So, shall we move on next? Yeah, all sing together the song. Parachute song. Do you know what's a Jason, good Jason. Do you know what's a parachute? A parachute, a parachute. Do you know what's a parachute? It's for landing safe on ground. It's for landing safe on ground. Yes. Very nice. Okay, fine. Now, ma'am is going to teach you some rhyming words. What are that? Rhyming words. Okay, come. Okay, children, can you see this picture? Yeah? Name some rhyming words for lip. Okay, lip you know. The rhyming words are already ma'am taught you in the last term, right? Rhyming words are ending with same sound. Ending or starting with same sound but different words, different meaning. Okay, that is known as rhyming words. For example, this is what? Lip. Lip. What is the ending sound, children? Up, right? P. Yes, the same way, next word also ending with ip sound. What is this? Zip. Okay, lip, zip. What is this? Where this man keep his hands? On his hip, right? Hip. So, lip is ending with P sound and zip is also ending with P sound. Hip is also ending with P sound. So lip, zip, hip. Okay. Say along with me. Lip, zip, hip. That is known as rhyming words. Okay. Yeah. The second rhyming word is pot. What is the first one? Pot. You look at the letter, children. P, O, T. Pot. What is the ending letter? T. O, T. Right? O, T. Look at all the pictures. The ending word, ending letter is O, T. O, T means ot. Ot. So, P, O, T means P sound of P is P. P. O, T means ot. So, P, O, T, pot. C-O-T, cot. H-O-T, hot. Yeah, H-O-T, hot. So, P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. H-O-T, hot. Okay, right, children? Pot, cot, hot. The previous one is lip, zip, hip. The next one is pot, cot, hot. Okay, let's see another one. Yeah, this is pig. What is the first word is? First picture is pig. The starting letter is P and the ending with IG. 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 What is the sound of IG? Ig. Okay. Ig. Pig. The second one is fig. F for f. Right? Fig. The last one is dig. He's making a hole on the ground, that is known as dig. 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 D-I-G. Dig. Okay. The digging means to make a hole or penetrate the ground. Okay. Dig. So that is known as dig. So pig, fig, dig. Okay. The first one is lip, zip, hip. The second is pot, cot, hot. And the third one is pig, fig, dig. Clear, right, children? Now you are going to read this. Jason, what's the first one? This one. What is it? Jason, come on. Say the name of this picture. Jason. Okay, fine. Kesha.
Say pot.
Kesha. Pot. Second one.
What is this? This one? Cot.
Cot. The third one is
Tea. देखो.
hot. How the tea or coffee will be? See? Vapor, steam is going out. So it is hot. Can you read the spelling? Can you read the spelling? What's the first letter in the pot? Keshav, read this word. What is the first?
এটা কি? P. এই দেখো দেখো P. দেখো না দেখো এটা বলো আমাকে বলো। আচ্ছা দেব এটা বলো। দেখো এখানে কি লেখা আছে দেখো।
Keshav say P O
তারপরে বলো
T.
এখানে কি আছে? তারপরে
P O T pot.
P O তারপরে
Pot. Second one is very nice. C O T cot. Yes. Third one is very cot. Say
বলো cot এটা কি?
the last one is
hot.
very nice, Kesha. Very good. Cot, hot. Okay. And Shivanya, can you name these pictures? Shivanya? Madhu, can you name these pictures, Madhu? Madhuvanti?
அடுத்தது இது என்னது?
Say the first one. What? First.
Like பேட்டும் பாலும் அமைக்கிறது.
சரி இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க. இது
Madhu, Madhu, listen to me. Listen to me, Madhu. What is the first picture? What animal is this?
சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
Cat.
இது
Cat. Next one is
செகண்ட் என்னது இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க. செகண்ட் என்ன சொல்லுங்க. இது உனக்கு வாங்கி
cat
தரேன்
after.
சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன
Cat
சொல்லுங்க.
after. What is that?
இது என்னது.
இது பாருங்க.
இது மேட். சொல்லுங்க. சொன்னா வாங்கி தரேன்.
Hat, bat, mat, hat.
நீங்க லைனா சொல்லுங்க. சரி நீங்க லைனா சொல்லுங்க. cat, bat,
Mat, bat, mat, hat. Okay. The same sound. Ending word is ending word has the same sound right now, children. Cat, bat, mat, hat. Right? 80. 80 words.
cat. இது என்னது.
நானே
சொல்லுங்க.
cat, bat,
மேட்.
Mat. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Saimira, can you read the second one?
நீ சொல்லி முடிச்சிட்டு.
Saimira? Yes, Saimira. What's the first word? Say, Saimira, what's the first word? What is this?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I muted it. She's
okay.
first.
Right.
lip,
Lip. Very good. Second one?
Sound louder.
Zip. Okay. Third one?
hip,
Yes. What is the rhyming sound in these three words, Saimira? Lip, zip, hip. What is the rhyming sound? Lip, zip, hip. Ip is the rhyming sound. Okay. Fine. Fine. Very nice. Shivani, are you there? Okay. Jason? Jason, can you able to read this? Very good. What is the first one? Pot?
bed,
It's not a bed. Cot. Okay, cot. This is cot. Last one is? Hot. Hot. Because a hot coffee is there in the cup, right? Pot. Yes. Pot. Cot. Hot. Okay. Pot. Cot. Hot. What's the rhyming sound in these words, Jason? Yes. It. Right? In all the words, it has a sound of it. Pot. Cot. Hot. It. Right? Very good. Very good. Now, ma'am is going to play with you. Okay? This is known as a bingo game. Children, can you be able to match the rhyming sound words? First one is pig. What are the rhyming words in this picture? Pig. Yes? Can you say, Litiksha? What is the rhyming word of pig? Litiksha? What is the rhyming word of pig? Pig, fig. Okay. Pig, fig. These two are rhyming. Yes. Pig and fig are rhyming. Yes, na? Pig and fig is rhyming. Yeah. The second one is pot. Okay. Pot. What are the rhyming words in the same sound of pot? Pot. Yes. Cot. Yeah. Cot. Pot. Cot and heart. Who's saying that? Murmuring. Heart. Pot. Cot. Heart. Yeah, okay. Right. And the next one is lip. Okay. What is the rhyming word of lip? Lip.
Hip.
tap,
Hip.
Lip and
Hip.
zip. Lip, zip
and
and hip. Okay. Yes. Yes, Keshav. Lip, zip and hip. Okay. Very good, very good. And the last one is hat. Okay? What is the rhyming word of hat? Hat. Bat. And then mat. Hat, bat, mat. These three are rhyming words. This game is known as bingo game. Okay, children? Bingo game. Okay, right? This is known as rhyming words. Got it? Rhyming words. Yeah. The same sound, the ending sound or starting sound will come in same. That is known as rhyming words. Children, can you sing bingo song? Shall we sing together bingo song? Yes? Yeah. Sing together. All put your mic mute and sing together with me. There was a farmer had a dog. Bingo was its name. B-I-N-G-O. 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 And bingo was its name. See? There was a farmer had a dog. Bingo was its name. B-I-N-G-O. 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 Bingo was its name. Okay, right? Fine. This is bingo. Okay. Yeah. Next is it. Bingo was its name. Right? Yeah. Next, let's see the number names. Today, ma'am is going to teach you the number name. Okay? Yes. Yeah. This is number name. All the alphabets are familiar for you, children. Okay? See, what's the first letter? Janavi, you say, dear. What's the first letter in this word?
Cheppu.
Very
Getty cheppu.
good. It's a small n, right? Okay, ma'am will write and show you. Okay? Yes, I'll write and show you. What letter is this, Janavi?
Identi?
Oh, yes. What is this?
ఇక్కడ చూడు పైకి చూడు.
What is this? N. Very good. Oh, yeah. What is this?
అదే చెప్పు ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు రాసేది మిస్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి.
Okay. What is the third letter?
ఇది థర్డ్ లెటర్. చెప్పు.
E
for elephant.
Very good. Very nice.
Okay.
For elephant. Very nice. Yes. This is what word? How to read this word? O-N-E-1. Say O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1.
చెప్పు.
O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Say all of you children. O-N-E-1. Okay, right? O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. I'll go for second number. What is this number? What is this number, you know? I'll teach you. Okay? Yes. Farheen, you say Farheen. What number is this? What letter is this? Farheen, what letter is this, Farheen?
What letter is this?
E. Very good. Yeah. Oh, this you are not aware of it. This is W. W. Okay. W. T. W. O. See, what number is this, Farheen? Farheen, what number is this? What number is this? 2. So T W O 2. Okay. T W O 2. Say all of you. T W O 2.
TWO 2.
Okay.
TWO 2.
Yes. Yes. Now I'll show you number 3. Okay? Yes. Saimira, can you read this? What letter is this? T. Very nice. What is this? H. What is this? R.
Yeah.
What is this? E. And what is this? E. Yes. Say T, H, R, E, E. Yes. What number is this? 3. So how to write 3? T, H, R, E, E. 3. Okay. Fine. T, H, R, E, E. 3. Right? The next one is 4. Okay? Fine. Litiksha, you read out Litiksha. What alphabet is this?
சொல்லு
Yes.
சொல்லு
Say what
சொல்லு
letter is this?
எஃப் சொல்லு
Yeah. Okay, fine. What is this? What is it, Litiksha?
சொல்லு எஃப் ஓ சத்தமா சொல்ல சொல்லு சொல்லு யூ சொல்லு ஆர் சொல்லு
R. F-O-U-R. 4. Say,
சொல்லு
what number is this?
சத்தமா
What
சொல்லு
number is this? 4. Yes. F-O-U-R. 4. Yes, right now.
F-O-U-R 4 சொல்லு F-O-U-R
4. All say together. F-O-U-R. 4.
சொல்லு
Okay?
F சொல்லு F-O-U-R
4. Very nice. T-H R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E. 3. F-O-U-R 4. Yes. Now we'll have a worksheet. Okay. Page number 132. Yes. Take your workbook. Turn page number 132. Shall we match this? In the first box that they have given number 1. Where is the spelling of 1? Find out. T-H-R-E-E is 3. So not that. Second one is O-N-E 1. So this green number 2, green parachute. You can match it with this, right? Okay. 1. O-N-E 1. The second number is 2. What is the spelling of 2? Yes, it's here. The blue parachute. T-W-O-2. So match these two. Next one is 3. Number 3. What is the spelling of number 3? T-H-R-E-E. Yes, where it is? Yes, I got it. It is in red parachute. So match this 3 to number 3. And the last one is yellow number 4. Yes, what's the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. F. Yes, it's the last one. F-O-U-R 4. Okay. Match this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which means
Very cute. Very cute.
ना डॉट करते हैं ना
Finish.
डॉट
Yes, yes. Very nice. All finish. Good, good.
Ma'am, Janvi, that parachute, ma'am. We stick it papers, color papers.
Okay, okay, fine. Very nice. Madhu, correct, Madhu. Yes, yes. Yes, right, children? Very good, Janavi. Nice. Nice it is. Okay, fine. Now close all your books. Finished means close your book. Shall we play with this stingray fish? Yes? Did you all color this fish? Yesterday which I gave you. Now all take your mobile. All take your mobile phone. Yes, go to Play Store. Yes, already we download the app, right? Imaginary app. Yes, now open the Imaginary app. Yes, you can see playgroup, nursery like that, right? In that, select nursery. Click on nursery and select the, you will get these pictures like this. Yes. Stingray. Yes. The scanner will open. Scan this picture. Yes, stingray. Yes, you can see the fish picture like this. Yes, right? Give swim option. Yeah, stingray fish is swimming. It's swimming, right? If you keep on give swim means it will swim here and there. Yes. It's an underwater fish. How many of you completed the coloring work in the sheet? The sheet coloring work, how many of you completed?
I did it, ma'am. I did it, ma'am. I did it, ma'am.
Saimira alone? What about the others? How many of you have this sheet, imaginary sheet? Yes, Adam.
We don't have.
You don't have, right?
No.
Yes, yes. Parents, please, those who are not having this, inform in the office. You just call the office, they'll give. Enquire in the office. The same way you have to color all the pictures, children. You have 4 or 5 sheets, right? One is a turtle, another one is a dolphin. The next one is a shark. Yes, right? Shark. And then octopus. Yes. The same way you can play with all the sheets. Okay. Yes. So that's all, children, today's work. Okay. So we saw about the air transport today. Yes. What are the things in the, what are the air transport? Aeroplane, helicopter, parachute, And what is another one? Yes? Hot air balloon, right? We saw about that detail, and then you learned the rhyming words, and you learned the number name 1 to 4. Yes? ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, and FOUR 4. Okay? Revise it again, children. Once again, you revise those things. Okay? I'll meet you on Monday. Yes, children. Monday we have a Republic Day celebration.